Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to make a phone call using the Echo Dot. Let's get to it.
Alexa, call time and temp FW.
Calling time and temp FW's mobile.
Good evening. PNC's virtual wallet gives you more control of your money than ever before. Whether you use the money bar to click and drag cash between accounts or use the calendar to help manage the flow of your cash, PNC's virtual wallet allows you to take firm control of your money. PNC, for the achiever in all of us. Today's date is Thursday, May 3rd. PNC Bank time, 8:34. The current temperature, 76. The local area weather, thunderstorms tonight, low near 63. Scattered thunderstorms and mild tomorrow, high near 75. Thank you for calling.
Alexa, call time and temp Defiance.
Calling time and temp Defiance's work.
Good evening. Today is Thursday, May 3rd.
Gary's Auto Repair, serving Defiance's auto and truck needs. Affordable and reliable. Gary's Auto Repair has a new location too. Look for us on Dietrich Street, across from Dos Amigos.
Gary's Auto Repair time, 8:35. Current temperature, 72 degrees. The Defiance area weather brought to you by the great folks at Westside Hall. Clean, spacious, and economical hall rentals for all events. Westside Hall.
Today, windy, showers and thunderstorms likely. High temperature 71. West-southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%.
Alexa, hang up.
Unfortunately, there is no setup on this. The only thing you must have is an Android device running 5.0 or higher. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and catch you later.